Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LastPass emergency access setup easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your LastPass vault. Log into your LastPass account using your credentials. Locate the account settings option in the menu. Click on account settings to access the settings page. Navigate to the emergency access tab. Click on the add emergency contact button. Enter the email address of the person you want to designate as your emergency contact. Select the relationship you have with your emergency contact. Set the waiting period for access requests. This period determines how long the person will wait before gaining access if you do not respond. Choose whether or not to send an invitation to your emergency contact. If you want your contact to receive a notification, check the appropriate box. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Click the Save button to apply your changes. You should see your emergency contact listed in the Emergency Access section. Make sure to inform your emergency contact about their new role. Test the setup by logging out and then logging back in to verify the changes. Now your LastPass emergency access is configured and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.